Hi, this is Luke from Totaled Buyouts Pro. Today we have a 2016 Hyundai Tucson, stock number 6504. This ran from the 6th 2015 and the 4th 2017. It has a G4NA 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4NA 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 19-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 19-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate 1 dent. Right rear tail light. Right rear 19-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear door 2 dents. Right front door no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front 19-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,